If you're looking to make money from your TikTok videos, then you should consider Amazon affiliate marketing. It's an easy and affordable way to generate extra income from your content and grow your channel fast. In this video, we'll show you how to get started and track your progress. As always, if there are any questions or comments, please let us know below. Why would you consider affiliate marketing on TikTok? TikTok now has 1 billion monthly active users. TikTok's users watch 167 million hours of videos every internet minute. In addition, TikTok was the most popular app downloaded globally in 2021 and 2022 across both the iOS and Android app stores, beating such giants as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It enjoys higher engagement than these apps too. TikTok users aren't afraid to spend money either. According to Sensor Tower data, TikTok was the top-grossing non-gaming app worldwide in February 2021, with more than $110 million of user spending. If you have a popular TikTok account and carefully select products that will appeal to your audience, you have the potential to succeed with affiliate marketing. Many marketers have been slow to understand the potential of TikTok, and the potential affiliate market there is far from saturated. The most important consideration you need to consider is ensuring that your affiliate offers appeal to your TikTok audience. Don't try and sell something merely because it pays you a high commission level. If the bulk of the people who watch your videos are in their 20s, there is little point trying to promote stair lifts, walking sticks, or other things that appeal to the elderly. You will do far better finding affiliate offers for fashion, lifestyle, technology, and consumer products. How does affiliate marketing on TikTok work? Affiliate marketing on TikTok works much as it does on other social platforms. TikTok is merely a selling venue of choice for the affiliate marketer. There are 3, sometimes 4, parties to any affiliate transaction: the product creator or merchant, the firm that provides the product for sale and decides to use the affiliate marketing sales model. This could either be the manufacturer of a product or a retailer that chooses to use affiliate marketing to sell their inventory. The affiliate network, optional. Rather than deal with affiliate marketers directly, some product creators choose to work through an affiliate network that acts as an intermediary. The network collates a catalog of goods from multiple creators and, in turn, carries out the daily interactions with affiliate marketers. The affiliate marketer, someone who signs directly with a product creator or an affiliate network to market their products to their online readers, viewers, or contacts. In the case of TikTok affiliate marketing, the affiliate marketer will promote the affiliate products in their TikTok videos. The consumer, somebody who ultimately buys the affiliate product. In the case of TikTok affiliate marketing, the consumer is likely to be a viewer of the affiliate marketer's videos. The product creator or affiliate network, if there is one, will provide a unique code for each affiliate marketer. The affiliate marketers then reference their code somewhere in their TikTok videos or leave a link containing it on their TikTok profile page, leveraging organic traffic on your TikTok videos. It's all very well saying that you can become an affiliate marketer on TikTok, but how do you actually do it? Well, a typical successful TikTok affiliate marketer uses multiple methods. The most straightforward is to leverage organic traffic to your TikTok videos. This, of course, assumes that you already have a reasonable number of people viewing and preferably engaging with your videos. Focus on a subculture/niche. Keep your videos short. Make the first few seconds count. Leverage popular hashtags. Use trending audio to your advantage. Make your captions relevant and engaging. If you don't yet have a popular TikTok account, it may be best to wait a while before trying to monetize your TikTok account with affiliate marketing. If you don't want to, you will have to rely more on paid traffic for your videos. Marketing to your organic traffic. The bulk of TikTok's users are still members of Generation Z, although there are now strong pockets of supporters in generations on either side, Millennials and Generation Alpha. Therefore, you need to establish a clear niche for your account and make and share videos that appeal to those interested in that topic. The affiliate products you choose to promote also have to appeal to those people. For example, there is little point in sharing affiliate product links for hunting and fishing products in a channel where most of your videos focus on teenage beauty. Generation Z is notorious for disliking traditional advertisements. Therefore, you should blend your affiliate products into your videos naturally. This will be much easier if you select affiliate products that your typical viewers would use. Ideally, you want your product placement to appear subtle and organic. It's all very well promoting your affiliate products from your TikTok account, but how will you make things work? How can you lead people to buy the product and ensure the product creator or merchant or affiliate network knows that you sent these consumers? There are several ways you can achieve this. 1. Include a link in your bio. Unfortunately, you can't usually just place a link in your TikTok videos or captions, although TikTok has experimented with this at times. Instead, you need to learn a lesson from Instagram and include a link in your TikTok bio. This is generally the best organic way to drive traffic outside of TikTok, so it is the ideal place for you to include the custom link that the affiliate company or network gave you. Then, once you have a link in your TikTok bio, you can reference it in your videos. TikTok hasn't given everybody this capability yet. If you don't, you may be able to access it by joining the TikTok Tester program. You will also need to change to a TikTok business account if you currently only have a personal one. 2. Link to your other social pages. TikTok makes it easy to create links to some of your other social accounts. You do this similarly to adding a link to your profile, as we described above, by going to your Me page and then tapping the Edit Profile button. TikTok includes fields for you to enter your Instagram and YouTube profiles, making it easier for you to direct people to see your other posts and promotions. These links show up as social buttons on your profile. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.